The name of this project is BioStrike, and it looks at moving biology from factories to festivals with a focus on food and the kitchen.
Yeah, people when they came in here, they sometimes felt a bit confused because this space shows two sides of the same story. It's about how microbes can be beneficial and both bad at the same time. And we're showing it as in a biostrike metaphor. It's really like on one side there's a antimicrobial setup, and on the other side there's a pro-microbial setup. So on the first side we're trying to kill as many microbes as we can, and on the other side we're trying to use them to create food and to create healthy ingredients. When people came in here, they can walk around and see these experiments going on. They can participate in it. They can ask questions and learn about how this biotechnology is evolving and becoming more accessible for them and might enter their kitchen in the future. In the past, labs and kitchens used to be the same thing. The first, let's say, biological scientists, they did their experiments in their own kitchen. At some point, that kind of these two worlds split, and labs are now very far away from people's general surroundings. But in this space, we kind of merged the two back together. So this is both a lab and a kitchen. It's really a hybrid, and so we use standard kitchen equipment, but actually at the same time perform science. And in that way it becomes more accessible to people, and by using the tools that they know, we hope that they also kind of easier understand what is going on. I think we're still, in terms of biology, living in some kind of dark age where we don't really know what we're eating and we don't know where it's coming from, and therefore we have very limited options. We can only get things from one store, and we have to kind of trust that store that they get the food from a reliable source. And we think that in the future in the cities, people will grow their own food and will be able to exchange it, and will be able to better understand where it comes from and also better understand what's in it, and therefore create healthier and better food and have a more diverse diet.
So I think one thing that's exciting about the future of this space is basically technologists becoming interested in this DIY bio space and looking at things like sharing microbes as a form of sharing open source information. You know, the whole ethos of this DIY bio activities is to have it really public and open and invite anyone and everyone that's interested to participate. So that's sort of how within the Future Everything festival that's allowed to happen.